Hello everyone, you're welcome to Carrie's Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on how to make a double flay peplum blouse. And in case you need a style for your own one wear, this is the real style for it. I'll be using 3 different fabrics in this tutorial, which are my lace, the scuba material, and a mercury fabric. The mercury fabric can also be called mirror taffeta depending on your location. And I'll be using pearls to design my blouse so it will look more beautiful. Alright, the measurements we're going to be needing are the underbust measurements, the half length of our blouse, and the full length of the blouse. We'll also be needing the shoulder measurements, the sleeve, the round sleeve, the bust, and the underbust circumference. So let's move on. Alright, so this is the front part, and I have my foam fabric on the middle piece. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to top stitch on this just to hide this edge. I'm going to do that to this point and also to the other point. After that, remember in our last class, that's in the cutting, I said I'll be using the lace edge. So I'm going to place the lace edge on it just to create a kind of design on the neckline. So I'm going to place this on this side, and I have the other one as well. I'm going to place on the other side. So let's do that. The next thing we are going to do from here is to place the sides. I'm going to place this first like this. In order to join this, so now the front is ready. Let's move to the back. On the back, I'll place my mercury fabric, turn the neck. After turning the neck, I'll also turn the sides, and I'll bring out my dart. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side of the back. Alright, so the front and the back is ready. The next thing I'm going to do here is to bring the shoulder together. I'm going to join the shoulder using I'm going to use my mercury fabric to turn it. That's joining the shoulder. After that, we'll bring out the shape from the side. So let's join the shoulder first. To bring out the shape, the bust measurement is 38 inches. So we have 38 divided by 2 is 19 inches. And here we have 21 inches. So that means I'm going to hold 1 inch on the side and 1 inch on the other side. The under bust circumference is 34 inches. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. Here I have 19 inches. So it means I'm going to hold 1 inch and also 1 inch on the other side. So let's bring out the shape. The next is the flare to be attached to the base of our half length. First step of the flare, the first step is the foam material. So I'm going to fold in the base of my foam material, and the second step is the lace fabric. First, I'm going to turn the lace with my mercury. Next is to attach the two together, bringing the flare together with the half length. Next is to fix the zip. The next thing we are going to do from here is to attach the sleeve. This is the sleeve. The first thing here is to fold the base of the sleeve. After that, I'm going to bring out the round sleeve. The round sleeve at the base is 11 inches, that's 5.5, and 14 inches, the upper arm, that is 7 inches. Alright, this is the end result of our blouse. We have the front and the back. I'm sure you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching Karen's tutorials. I am sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget you can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at OAfrica TV. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Karis Creations. You can leave your comments in the comment box below. Till I see you next class. Bye.